Yo, what is good, everybody? Coming back at you again. Oh, my beautiful baby. She's a little bit dusty because I've had, oh, there's been a bit of a wind and shit like that happening yesterday on Christmas Day. And, yeah, a bunch of dust was kicked up and she's dusty. And I didn't have time to clean her. Because after the gym this morning, I kind of just... Oh, one of the guys messaged me and was just like, let's go ride. And I was just like, you know what? Today's supposed to be not as hot as the last few days. I got you, homie. I come ride. So, yeah. I'm gonna go for a bit of a little bit of a ride. Right. So my friend who's a learner, he's popped up in a couple of videos. He was in a few videos back. He reached out to me when he was in the... Oh, I'm gassed up. Not in a good way. But yeah, he reached out to me when I was at the gym and was like, what are you up to? And I want to go for a ride? And I was like, yeah, sure, why not? Because I've got a bit of time till about 3-4-ish when I got shit on, essentially. So I was just like, you know what? Yeah, let's go for a ride. And being that I took the entirety of last week off from work, this coming week, well, starting tomorrow, I'll be working again. Because today is the 26th, it's Boxing Day, and yeah, I was just like, yeah, no, I'm not working Boxing Day because clowns be clowning, all that kind of stuff and things. But yes. We go for a ride though. We go ride now. Yeah, I got some old school bangers playing in my headphones. Helmet. I got the Ruroc, so y'all know what I'm talking about, the Shockwave. The integrated shit. Would highly recommend it if you have one, because it's so easy. It's not intrusive, the helmet still looks slick, and you don't have to add shit on, because everything's hidden internally. And very, very good battery on it, if I do have to say. When I used to ride pretty much daily, I used to go pretty much almost a full month with a full charge. So, yeah, maybe I'm just lucky and the battery unit I got with the thing was just like popping. Boyozer. And y'all will, if y'all want to know what gear I've got or I'm using, it's always in the description down below. But yes, I'm gonna zip it real quick and yeah, let's head to my mate's place and see what's good and what we got planned. This killer beast. Where do you want to go? Because coast would be cool, but also the most amount of cops.
Hey?
If you go to the coast, it'll be nice and cool, but there'll be a lot of cops.
Yeah.
So
I'm not going out to Hoon today, so.
I mean, we can go down that way.
But there'll be cops in the hills and that if we go up there too. So.
Yeah, they'll be out and about.
Especially today, because everyone.
Shops will be back open and everyone's just being twats.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can head to Hillary's like car park and all that shit.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, let's see from there. I don't know what will be open. I don't know if Hillary's will be open completely or what.
Go for a ride. See where we end up.
Yeah. Yeah, and we are off. So we're gonna head down towards the coast, but we gotta behave because one bugger up and my license is on, boy, until I think 2023 or 24 sometime I start getting my points back. It's so scuffed. Gotta put this in straight mode so I don't accidentally rip on it too hard and then it just yeets me into a trap. You did what now?
I'm trying to get my steering to work.
Oh. Right. That's what I was just like.
My speaker was like down here.
Oh. Fucking ooze. Hectic mullet.
Okay.
Hectic mullet. Alright, see, then. Let's fucking hit it. Oosh. time to check out the talent, ladies and gentlemen. That's a chicken nugget with legs.